Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that in our Shopify store, how we can display color variants as individual products on collection page. This video is specific for Empire theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to www.shopwebsitecodes.com because I have already uploaded the codes for all other themes. Let me show you an example for this feature which we are going to develop in this video. Here you can see that all the products are displaying with their color variants, and this thing helps us to provide different color options to our customers. Here you can see the current situation of our store. This is the home page of our Shopify theme, which is Empire theme, and in our home page, if you will scroll it down, you can see that we have new arrivals and only few products are displaying because their color variants are not showing over here. And if you are going to the catalog, means main collection page, here you can also see that all the products are displayed, which are 5, but their color variants are not displaying. So let's implement this feature in our store. Firstly, you should go to the Shopify store dashboard, and here you can see that we have installed Empire theme. Firstly, you should take the backup of this theme so that later on, if you want, you can roll back it with the original version. And here we have 3 dots, click on it, then click on duplicate. So it will automatically duplicate your current published theme. And let's move ahead with the coding part. Click on 3 dots again, click on edit code, and here you will be getting some files and folders. So we need to follow the documentation. Actually, I have already given the link below in the description. You should download the code first, and in that zip file you need to extract that file and you will be getting these files. So firstly, you should click on document.txt, and here you can see that all the steps are mentioned. So the first step is like create a new snippet. The name of that snippet is color-variant. So let's create this new snippet. Click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and here you need to write color-variant and then click on done. So in this way we can actually create a new empty file, and inside of this file we need to paste the code which is over here, color-variant.txt. You need to copy this complete code and paste it inside this blank file, and then save the changes. Once you saved the changes, then you need to close this file and again go back to the documentation. The second step is to create a new snippet again. The name of that new snippet is color-product-grid-item. So just copy the name from here and then click on add a new snippet and paste it right here and click on done. Again we have another new file which is the empty one, but we need to paste the code from here. This file name is color-product-grid-item. So you need to open this file, copy this complete code and paste it inside of this empty file, and then click on save. Once you saved the changes, again close this file and go back to the third step. Go to the sections, then open static-collection.liquid. So let's go to the section. Here we have the section, then you need to scroll it down. So where is that? Static-collection.liquid. And inside of this file, what we have to do, we need to replace this complete code with this one. So how we will be finding this exact code? You need to copy this keyword product-grid-item, and then using Control F or maybe Command F, you need to search it, and here it will be highlighted. You need to replace these lines with this specific code. So let's copy this and remove it first and paste the latest code, and then save the changes. Again we have the fourth step. So before continuing with the fourth step, you need to close this file, and let's go to the fourth step, which is go to snippets, open feature-collection.liquid. So firstly go to snippets, close this section, and inside of it you should find feature-collection. Here you can see that we have feature-collection, and here we have to again remove this line of code and replace it with this one. So how we will be finding this exact line? You need to copy this keyword and search it here using Control F or maybe Command F, and here we have this line of code. You need to replace this specific thing with this one. So let's copy this and remove it first and then paste the latest code, and then you need to save the changes. So this step we have completed, which was the fourth one. Now we have the fifth step. Go to the sections, open static-search. Let's go to the sections, open static-search, open static dash search dot liquid, and here we also have to replace this line of code with this one. So how we will be finding again? So copy this keyword and search it here. It will be highlighted, and now we are interested to remove this and replace it with this one. And here we go. Now we need to remove it first and then paste right here, and then click on save. So all the steps we have implemented according to the documentation. Now it's time to test the feature. So go to the main collection page again, and let's refresh this page. So now you can see that all the variants are showing here. So how beautiful this is now. Earlier we had the problem like only few products were displayed, and now we can see that all the color variants are also displaying. If we are going to our home page, you can see that it will look more beautiful. New arrivals, we have other color variants, and all are displaying beautifully. So there are chances like our customer will choose one of the color. Why? Because this is looking more beautiful, and of course the colors attract the customers. If you stuck somewhere or if you have any problem with that, you can directly contact me. I will be happy to help you out in that. So I will be adding the contact details below in the description. You can message me anytime. I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. If you have any other new feature to develop, or maybe you have any customization related stuff, so you can directly contact me. I will help you in that as well. So make sure that visit on www.shopwebsitecodes.com, because I have already uploaded a lot of stuff over there. So in the future I will also keep publishing over there. So what is the benefit of this? Because if you are using snippets, then these are actually not affecting your speed of the store, because these are well optimized. If you are any app, then app is slowing down your whole store. Why? Because this is adding additional things inside, additional libraries in your store. And you can imagine that you are also paying the subscription fees, and here in snippets, if you are using, you can use it for lifetime and only need to copy and paste the code. That's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking this video was useful, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.